Have you ever found yourself in a frustrating situation where your cryptocurrency transaction gets stuck on Metamask, leaving you unable to proceed? If you're using Metamask and facing this issue while attempting to cancel a transaction, chances are you've encountered an underpriced transaction problem. This easy-to-follow guide will show you how to fix this issue and get your transaction back on track. And today's video is proudly sponsored by MyCryptoView, featuring our multi-sender tool. Need to send tokens to multiple addresses? Our multi-sender tool is your solution, 50% cheaper than other multi-senders. It supports most EVM chains, including Binance Smart Chain, Solana, Tron, TON, and Aptos. Check it out to simplify your airdrop distributions. Now, let's continue. Step 1. Log into Metamask. Step 2. Click the three dots and click Settings. Step 3. Click on Advanced. Step 4. Scroll down to Customize Transaction Nonce and turn it on. Step 5. Open your stuck transaction on Etherscan and scroll down to the bottom and click +click to show more. Step 6. Copy the nonce value as shown in this video. The nonce is 3, yours would be different. Alternatively, if you can't find the click to show more option in your stuck transaction, you can find the nonce by clicking Send under your Metamask activity. The nonce will be displayed as shown in this video. Step 7. Send 0 ETH and use the same nonce that you copy from Step 6. Note: your nonce would be different from the one in this video. It should be the nonce value that you copied from your stuck transaction. Step 8. Click Edit Market. Note this might be different as well, and it could be Site Suggested or Advanced. Step 9. Click Advanced. Step 10. Increase the priority fee to a higher value, like 15 GUI, and click the Save button. Step 11. Confirm and send your transaction. Once your transaction is successful, you should see Dropped and Replaced on Etherscan status similar to the image in this video. If you see the Dropped and Replaced status, you can send a new transaction which would now go through. Or if are not seeing Dropped and Replaced, you may see Transaction hash not found on Ethereum as shown in the current screen. Sign up for more crypto tools and educational crypto topics at mycryptoview.com and subscribe to our channel.